We did it! The GOO ICT Academy is officially monetized, and this is just the beginning. Stay with me because this is only the beginning. Welcome to the next level of GOO ICT Academy.
Now we are able to get money from YouTube because our application is already accepted, right? So let me show you the message from YouTube. Here we can now start to get money from YouTube. See a message now, email from YouTube. GOO ICT Academy, congrats, you have been accepted into YouTube partner program, right? So we applied for YouTube partner program and now we are now accepted to be a partner of YouTube, right? As you see, this is the entire email from YouTube, says that GOO ICT Academy, welcome to.
If people are actually confused about what your channel is all about.
Yes, guys, as you see, this is the email from YouTube, says that GOO ICT Academy, welcome to YouTube partner program. Congratulations, your dedication has paid off and you are now among a prestigious community of creators building their voices and business on YouTube, right? So here, as you see, they are saying that I can now turn on my benefits. Turn on your benefits on this icon you see here. Here they are saying that turn on your benefits. To me that I can now start to earn money from YouTube, right? So guys, as you see, what does this mean? This means you can start earning money from your content through channel membership, super chat, super stickers, super things, and YouTube shopping, selling your own product. So wow, as you see, our application is already accepted. You can now start to earn money from YouTube. So big congratulations, and I really thank you for your contribution to develop this channel so that now we can start earn our money from YouTube. What to do next? Now what we are going to do, we first celebrate and share with your fans and your channel and other social with YouTube partner program. Then head to the YouTube studio to turn on your earning features. What we are going to do is to turn our earning features, right? So also you need to stay here and follow step by step so that you can complete our application by starting opening where we can start to earn money, right? Then as you see, we are committed to making sure YouTube is the most rewarding place to be a creator, and we are here to support your journey every step of the way as you keep growing and unlocking more way to earn, right? And then finally they are recommending me to watch the video so that I can get helpful tip to start earning, right? So by the end, they're saying that you can't wait to see how you grow your channel, community, and engage with your fans. Welcome to a YouTube partner program family. The YouTube team is the one who sent this message, right? Then here I can start by turning my benefits to mean I can start to gain money by clicking here, then and follow steps. So guys, that's why I'm coming here in this video. I'm really thank you for your participation and really congratulations for this achievement. And please, as usual, if you are in here or you are a small YouTuber, don't skip this video. Go in the comment section, drop your channel name, and then write "Let's Grow," and make sure you subscribe. Everyone who already dropped his or her channel name so that you can stay growing together and get monetization together, right? So thank you. Let us meet in the next video.